Welcome. This is JAMB year 2020 government objective past question number 8, and the question here says the legislative body of the United States of America is the dash. The legislative body of the United States of America is the dash. Option A says Congress, B say National Assembly, C say council, D say parliament. When we talk of parliament means National Assembly. It is a governmental term or political science jargon. National Assembly. Then council. When we talk of council is a unit of body in a government. The National Assembly is the name we call our legislature in Nigeria. National Assembly is the name Nigeria call their legislature. The Congress is USA. So in United States of America, the Congress means legislature body that makes law, and that is the primary purpose of legislature body or legislative body. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.